Oh my God. It never fails, man. It never fails. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at the market performance for the 24 hours, past 24 hours, sorry. After that, we'll look at the prices in details. And right after that, we will look at our positions. Do I have a presidential suite in Reg City yet? Anyways, guys, before we do all that, guys, again, everybody stay asking the same question over and over again. Hey, guy, you said all season was here, and look at what is happening. Oh my God, guys, my gosh. Number one thing I always tell you guys, patience. That's all. That's all I tell you. Patience. If you are patient, you will see it. If you are patient, you will make you an insane amount of money. Insane. Very insane. I'll give you an example for it. When I started talking about Cubic, for example, okay? Cubic, they didn't have a leverage, any exchange I was doing leverage was just on spot. If you would have gotten in Cubic when I started talking about it, you would have been up, despite of the market cap dumping, you would have been still be up 30% or 40%, because that's what my position is. I'm up 30% since then. So yeah, that is the funniest thing ever. Okay, so now everybody, like when you say Jasmine, everybody, oh no, don't even think about that. Oh no way. You say Quan, oh man, look at what happened yesterday. Look at Kaspa, it's dumping, blah blah blah, and we go on again, rewinding to the same thing. Do the same thing. I remember telling you clearly, guys, because of Binance moving the dates ahead of a little bit further down, you are about to see Kaspa go back down to 10.2 or even 10 cents, giving it plus or minus 5%. You remember that? Do you remember that? 10 cent plus 5% puts it as 10.2, minus 5% puts it probably around 8.5, 9 cents. Do you remember that? So yeah, people, I don't know. It is, people don't want to be patient. They don't want to. And I've told you so many times, guys, in this my millionaire journey, okay, please pay attention. We are not looking for pumps and dumps. We are looking for generational wealth. And trust me when I say Kaspa is what you are missing. Trust me when I tell you that. Kaspa is going to make you a lot of money. Everybody else keep telling me different. They keep whining and whining. And I'm like, watch everything on, okay? Like, okay, let's just try to tune away the noise of the photos, okay? People flooding, and this guy, like today I was watching this guy talking about, yeah, Marathon Digital is selling their coins, and because they are not profitable and this and that. Number one, it is a business entity. Of course they're gonna take profit. They are not like you and me. Myself, I'm mining Kaspa right now. As a matter of fact, once I get these profits for this bull run, I'm planning on expanding my miners. Okay, my entire garage, which again you guys are going to see, my entire garage, or probably I don't know. I think I will have it in the backyard, a shade full of Kaspa miners. You guys will see it. So yeah, Marathon Digital, they are a company. It's not personal. It's a public traded company. Therefore, they have every quarter of a year. I don't know when is their annual income their annual income report. I don't know when it is, but they have to report their income, which is normal thing to do. Again, nobody's holding a gun to your head to hold Kaspa. If you feel like it is a waste of time, sell, move on. What I don't understand is why people like to spread FUD to drag everybody else out of it. I don't get it. I don't understand it. So yeah, let's tune away all the FUD, okay? For example, let's tune it all out. And if you do, you will see that everything is lining up perfectly for Kaspa. Like I said, the upgrade mainnet 10 blocks per second. We are probably a week away for that upgrade. And that, my friends, falls right on time when Binance is about to distribute the mining reward / spot listing of Kaspa. Bam. And if Binance does, it's a race going on because Coinbase also won that share. So Coinbase have also opened perpetual trading or trading on Kaspa. And what tells you that they are not going to list it on spot? The same thing goes with OKX. And the icing on the cake for all this storm is Kaspa smart contracts, which again, everybody keeps saying, nah, they will develop it and implement it and blah, blah, blah. Guys, if you go on Twitter, you will see Sparkle is almost there. Inger Lab is another one also working on their own version of smart contracts. So yeah. And the funny thing about it, like I've told you video after video, those smart contracts are almost an easy way to implement. You're going to see developers from Ethereum, from Solana, from whatever they are, just copy and paste, like swap over to the Kaspa's ecosystem without even having to sweat a single ounce of sweat. I've told you this so many times because Kaspa is revolutionary. It's the only coin that solves the trilemma. And on top of that, it has smart contracts. So yeah, I just look at people right now. They look at the price and they start to cry. Oh, this and that. Oh, that. What about Jasmine? You said Jasmine was gonna fall. And I've video after video, I've told you guys, watch Bitcoin, then watch Jasmine, right? Even though separately, you guys know I trade on the daily and on the weekly and monthly time frames. I cannot just start trading on one. I need to make sure that there at least two of them have reset. If you look at Jasmine's charts, the daily time frame has reset, right? The one that is almost about to reset is the weekly. Weekly is about to reset, and it goes, if you've been watching my videos, I've told you Jasmine 2 cents is going to bounce at 2 cents. It's going, I don't know how many times I repeated myself. I sound like a broken radio saying that, like, guys, if you don't have positions open, watch for 2 cents. 2 cents. 2 cents. Unless Bitcoin drops, Jasmine is going to bounce at 2 cents. 2 cents. Now, you know what? Let me show you. Let me bring my computer right quick. I want to show you this. You guys already know, like I said, when I trade, I don't use rocket science. Simple things. Moving average, MACD, moving ribbon, RSI, and then people's sentiment. Okay? Everybody's so bearish on Jasmine right now. If I did not have a position open on Jasmine, I would have opened one already, because that's how it works. But anyways, look at this. Let me show you. Let me flip my camera. Here, this is Jasmine. You see that? On the weekly, right? Look at MACD and look at RSI. Okay, look at the RSI. This is the RSI. Let me go in there a little bit. See? Flat on the ground on the weekly. If I put that line there, see that line? Flat on the ground on the weekly, which is now, this is about to flip. Now, MACD is sometimes, how do I say it? It lags behind. This usually confirms first, RSI, and MACD confirms later. What you're looking at is, look at that. RSI is already about to confirm. You're about to see MACD start to turn from red to pink, just like it happened here. from red to pink. So yeah, it is about to happen. So yeah, I am very sure that Jasmine this weekend, probably this Sunday, is gonna start taking off. You're about to see it. Yesterday we were sitting at 2 cents when everything crashed, right? So everything is looking just like that. It's about to go. And if you go, like, let me take you to my Bitcoin charts right quick. This is my Bitcoin chart. You remember what I was telling you guys about the red line, right? You guys remember? See? The red line is getting hugged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days already, almost 7. This thing is about to bounce from here to start to go up. That's what, well, you about to see, okay? And that, my friends, that confirms that Jasmine, okay, let me put this back here. Okay, there you go. That confirms you that Jasmine is about to run. Okay, the same thing goes to Cubic. Most people look at Cubic and they go, yeah, look at the market cap, look at this and that. And so many times I have told you guys, Cubic is a very, very volatile asset because the market cap is still almost free, cheap. That's what I mean by free. It's still less than $200 million market cap. So if you expect Cubic to run, okay, just like that out of the blue, you are mistaken. Projects like that, you have to prove to investors that, yes, my white paper or whatever I told you guys about, it will happen, and look at the proof of it right here. Cubic right now, they are still working on it because Cubic is relatively very, very brand new. That is why I told you guys, high risk, high rewards, right? People just don't understand it. It's not going to get up and boom, there we go, pump. It's not going to happen. It's not. It's going to take its path, okay? That's why I said, if you look at it, give me a second. Let me open my computer right quick. If you look at Cubic, just like Jasmine, okay, on the daily, Cubic has reset. And if you look at it on the weekly, okay, let me do this right quick. I really hate to do this like this. One day I will start using my computer for better. For Cubic on the weekly, even because it is so brand new coin, the data is not even there for weekly yet. That is how do I say it? How early you are when it comes to this. But yet, people still want to like, oh yeah, it's not pumping, oh, it's not going up, oh, it's not doing this, we about to go jump the bridge and blah, blah, blah. Again, simple thing, patience. I told you, all season has started. A bunch of people don't believe it because they are holding shit coins. If you're holding it in the right coin, you will see that your all season has started. And like again, look at Quant. Look at Quant. People are busy trying to, oh my God, you want to make money. What's in front of you is a gold mine, then yet you want to go, complain and look for something else somewhere else. And when it goes wrong, you have nobody else to blame but yourself. Okay? It's that simple. You buy the coins on spot, you sit tight and wait. Because like I told you, Kaspa, there is no way for Kaspa than going up. I know people worried about, oh, you talking about bull run was going to be shorter. Yes, it's going to be short because if you look at the macroeconomics, okay, inflation data, CPI, FOMC meeting, everything going around you tells you that, yep, Uncle Sam is about to bring out the chopping knife. Okay, Bitcoin is about to throw a wrench at your engine, but it will not do it before pumping. That's what I'm telling you. Watch Bitcoin right now. You see the chart I just showed you, hugging that line. Therefore, the next 4 to 6 months, Bitcoin will start to run. It will not run as much as you think. Like, we'll probably go from here to $120,000. After June, it would take off like a mad dog. And I'm telling you guys, And I stand by it. Give it July, August, September, thereabout, and you will see the market comes to an end. It's not going to last that long as people think. It might even be sooner than that. Therefore, again, me, I monitor the market every day. Okay? And I tell you, Bitcoin, by the time it crosses that $140,000, if it does, by the time it crosses it, I will start to monitor the market more often than before. And a lot of people keep looking at it. Oh yeah, listen, Quant is another one. Quant is another one that this short term that is remaining, it will make you a lot of money. Because if you look at regulations, go look at the banking. I don't have to tell you anything. Go look at the banking, what's going on in the banking system. They have started sending letters, sending SMS. Listen, we can custody your crypto. We offer crypto services and blah blah blah. And again, I showed you that picture, right? Look what is in the middle of all these utility coins, banking system, XRP, XDC, XLM, whatever you call them. They have to go through quant over ledger. And again, it is that simple. Okay, for a bank to use that quant over ledger, they need to hold quant, and not just holding it, they need to stake it. Therefore, again, project gateways is about to show up, and I'll stand by my words. Like, guys, when all these things starts to go, quant is a $5,000 quant. Now, it's not say it's written on stones. No, like I said, I will be monitoring the market. If I see the bearish trend started, if the bearish trend starts for the bear market, and quant is sitting at let's say $2,000 or even $3,000, guys, I will close my positions and I will take my profits. That's what I will do, and I will short quant. Again, whatever the price is, when the bearish market, the bear market begins for me, I will short those assets. Okay, but the whole point here is the money to be made has already started. You guys already know my way of trading. I don't wait for price confirmation. It has already started, and I don't have to sit here and look at my charts like every 5 seconds, like, oh, what's happening, what's not happening, oh, what's going on or what's not going on. Therefore, my bear market, when it comes, because again, a lot of people are still thinking that this bull run will be a mega bull run. It will go past the December and blah blah blah. Which again, I look at them and guys, I begin to laugh, because most people don't know the relationship between Bitcoin and the US dollar, the DXY or Dixie like we call it. Okay? When the government cuts the interest rate to zero, the value of DXY is going to rise. Why? Because one, since interest rate is zero, people are going to borrow. People are going to borrow from central banks. It is that simple logic. People are going to borrow. Grayscale, BlackRock, so all of them, they are going to borrow, and therefore the dollar will be scarce. Scarce, I mean, when too much to go, too little to go around. And when that happens, the value of the dollar is going to go up. And you guys already know. Go look at the DXY chart versus Bitcoin. When that happens, Bitcoin price tanks. That usually marks the beginning of the bear market. Okay, so are you going to get any like the OGs? Okay, the OGs, when they get that money, they are not going to put it into Bitcoin, guys. They are not going to do that. They are going to go to central banks whose interest rate are probably 50% higher. They are going to buy bonds from Japan, China, or whatever. Even my grandma that has a banking bonds or country bonds, whatever. That's what they are going to put that money for. Okay? They grade that money out because, guys, when interest rate goes to zero, Apple stocks are going to drop. Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, all those things are going to drop. And therefore, if I'm getting zero interest from the bank, I will get that money and buy those stocks. That's what they're going to do. They are not going to put that money in Bitcoin. Therefore, Bitcoin price, again, if Bitcoin is sitting at 150, 160,000, I'm giving you just a number, okay? And Google stocks are down. People are going to sell that Bitcoin to go and buy Google, because first of all, they're going to have the returns, and there's a bunch of things that go into it. So yeah, all of them telling you that it hasn't started, I don't know. I don't know. Because I told you, everybody thinks it's going to happen like before. Bitcoin goes up, and then it reaches a peak, and then it starts to drop, and then the money will roll into altcoins and blah blah blah. No, guys, it's not going to do that. Simple logic. Again, I'm gonna pick a random one, Ethereum. Do you see Ethereum prices and Bitcoin prices? They are all going up at the same time, and they are dropping at the same time. Are you looking at that? Ethereum price is going up at the same time with Bitcoin. Ethereum price goes up with the same time with Bitcoin, and it's also dropping at the same time with Bitcoin. Look at Quant, for example. Quant is going up the same like Bitcoin, and it's also dropping at the same time. Last bull run, Bitcoin went up first, then Ethereum and the Quant and the rest of them followed, right? This bull run, do you see the difference? They are all rising at the same time. They are all falling at the same time. So yeah, those are little things that people are not paying attention. And I tell you, if you think like Bitcoin start to crash and altcoins are going to go up, you are living in a different world. Your perspective for reality is different. And I'm telling you guys again, once the government start to the interest rate goes down, Bitcoin start to crash, guess what? It's going to drag everything along with it. That's what's going to happen. And that's also one of the good things I like about Kaspa not running right now when everything else is running. Because Kaspa is going to be the only coin in the market which is brand new, with a new ecosystem, with a new TVL going on. So people are going to see. You're going to see people take their money, put into Kaspa. I'm not telling you they're going to put it all in there until Kaspa is like $50. No, they're going to put it all in there. Kaspa will be the only one running till December. That's why I firmly believe that Kaspa is going to hit $10. That's simple. That's what it's going to do. So yeah, we have a lot of people like, no, it's not this, it's not that, it's not blah blah blah. And I'm like, yeah, you know what? Let's just wait for the time. We don't have long to go. Trust me, we don't have long to go. We only have 6 to 8 months. No, not even 8. I think less than 8 months. And you will see. Because I will sit here and I will tell you again. Yep, I told you so. That will be me. I will sit here and I will tell you that. Don't say I did not warn you, because the warning, the writings are bright and loud on the wall. Now it's up to you if you want to listen. If you don't want to listen, it's up to you. Regardless, again, I will show you everything I do, just like I do every time. Okay? Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. I know a lot of people are still like really panicking and okay, panicking and crying. Okay, well, let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. On crypto bubbles, come on, load up right quick. See, this is what I'm telling you. Depends on what coin you are holding, because if altcoin hasn't started, the only thing you will see green here is going to be either Bitcoin or any derivative like that. But as you can see, altcoins are running. LCX is running. Peanut, SPT, there's a bunch of them running. But anyways, let's go look at the one that we are trading in this My Millionaire Journey edition 2024-2025, starting with King Kaspa. KS right there. For the past hour, Kaspa is up 0.7%, 3.2% down on the day, 8.9% down on the week, 25.8% down on the month, and 38.8% down on the year. You guys already know. Everybody's still scared. They think FTX 2.0 is about to happen again. And again, I am just laughing at this. Sitting at the market cap of $2.55 billion, and a 24 hours volume traded at $25.08 million. So you see, market cap still holds. We went from 2.7 to 2.55. So it still holds. So yeah, I don't know about you. But anyway, let's go look at Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. Okay, we look at here, Quant. For the past hour, we're down 0.3% on the day. For the past hour, we're up 0.3%, 2.8% down on the day, 0.9% up on the week, 14.1% down on the month, and the yearly, like I told you guys, pay attention to that number. The yearly is sitting at 8.2% down, sitting at the market cap of $1.38 billion, and a 24 hours volume traded sitting at $20.75 million. Let's go look at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin. We have here 0.1% down the last hour, 2.3% down on the day, 5% down on the week, 26% down on the month, and 62.2% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.01 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $29.06 million. Now, did you notice something? Of all the coins that we've talked about so far, look at the volume, trading volume, very low, right? That tells you again, these things are about to take off, because the dump, only people that are scared are dumping. And I will show you guys in a little bit. It's like I told you guys, when it's not an organic dump. This is a scared, like people just dump because something is happening. Okay, so yeah, look at the trading volume, all of them 20, 29, 25. So it's just it's going to catch a bunch of people off hand. The market makers always do this. They put that FUD in there, and then before you know it, they will put it up. Because like if you look at the people shorting right now, the entire market, for example, you have almost 80 to 90% people shorting the market. So yeah, you're about to see, this thing's about to take off, and it's going to wreck all those people. That's what you're about to see. Now, anyways, last but not the least, Cubic. Okay, let's look at Cubic. High risk, high reward. For the past hour, Cubic is up 0.8%, 3% up on the day, 5.5% down on the week, 38.1% down on the month, and 77% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $173.41 million. You see that? Almost free. It's just brand new starting. Anyways, with a 24 hours volume traded at $2.56 million, as you guys can see. But anyways, now let's look at prices in details. Okay, let's look at this, and I'll take my trading view. We got to start first with King Kaspa. That's the king always comes first, right? So on King Kaspa, again, everybody else is panicking, everybody else is running, and yesterday, man, we were up again trying to get this thing going, and again, you get up and you see people like the time difference, okay? Because when you're up in the US, people in the other side of Earth, they're sleeping, and when they get up and they see something like this, guess what? Oh crap, they also dump. So yeah, it is okay. Normally, this is the 1 hour. Like I always tell you guys, I don't trade on the 1 hour. I just look at the 1 hour for price direction. And again, I look at things like this. Look at the moving ribbon. See, you see, it looks like it's trying to make a move to curve. And for the past hourly, you see this candle is green. Now let's see when it closes. Next one, I'm pretty sure it's also going to be green, because again, this is something that most people are not looking. When I was looking at it earlier, I was able to see that that Kaspa was forming a symmetrical triangle, and that triangle, my friends, is about to really like how do I say it? It's about to break out. When I go to the higher time frames, you will see it, and that you will see that the price came exactly down to touch the lines of that triangle multiple times, bouncing off it before going upwards. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hour right quick. See, unfortunately my phone is what is really messing up this triangle. See how many times we touch it up here. If you can zoom far, you'll also see the same thing down. As you guys can see, we touch it already came, touch now. So I'm expecting price to start to climb up again to try to touch the bottom, the top of it. But you guys know these kind of things. Okay, there, let me zoom. It might look a little bit better if I do that. Maybe if I go on the daily. Let me check it on the daily right quick. Okay, daily, zoom out. Okay, that's even better. See, that's what I'm talking about. Let me bring my arrow back. This is what Kaspa is doing right now. Okay, we came up there, touch, came down, touch, up, touch, came down, touch. Is almost breaking out. We've gone past the 50%. Okay, so yeah, I'm expecting this thing to break out and up we went. And the target for this, if you take from the highest point to the lowest point it went and put it on the breakout target, whatever it breaks out, is going to be probably 16 to 17 cents. And you're about to see it. That's what I'm telling you. It's just a matter of patience. Wait, give it some time, and you will see. If you panic like anybody else, don't say I didn't tell you, but you probably will be buying this thing at the higher price. Anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. QNT, not that one, this one. Excuse me. Look at quant, almost similar, okay? But again, just like I told you guys, quant is in an uptrend, okay? Don't that happen? Again, grandpa panic, Uncle Tommy did not even ask what's going on, and he just clicked that button. The same thing is going on here. If you look at it, the 1 hour shows a green candle and it shows a higher low. So yeah, it looks like we are recovering. So I'm not going to spend much time on it. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, which again will confirm. Look on the 4 hourly. See? Ribbon still green. Moving average still at the top. And like I always tell you guys, price always follows the moving average, right? So yeah, it is happening. Just give it some time. Let everybody realize that, you know what, Bybit hacking was not the end of the world. Oh crap, I need to get back into my position, and then you will see the whole thing starts to run like a mad dog. It was just a temporary pause. Again, the market does not go up on a straight line. The market takes this kind of pauses, sometimes naturally, other times people just stealing. And it is what it is. You can't control it. If you look at on the daily, see, this is what I'm telling you guys. We are getting supported by the moving average on the daily, and we are still above that important support, which is $95 right now. Look at the ribbon. When you look at it, ribbon is just laying straight. It's not going downwards, guys. It's not. Look at the ribbon, curve straight. Therefore, this came up testing this you see how many times we tried? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row without being able to break it. Now we broke it, probably just coming back to retest before continuing upwards. That's simple as that. For Jasmine, I don't even need to go back there, like I just showed you guys. Okay, Jasmine is about to take off, guys. MACD, RSI on the weekly, they are resetting. It's about to take off. So yeah, let me go back here. It's no time to complain, no time to try to whine about it. This is your last boat, because once Bitcoin take off from now, it's gone. It's gone. We are entering the last phases of the bull run, which is right now. Go look at any bull run. It usually happens. Some kind of checkout happens. Some kind of incident happens. Hacking, COVID, whatever you want to call it. Something always happens that will crash the Bitcoin when it's time for the last leg up. It always happens. So anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. You guys already know I do have Phemex, Margex, Bydfi, and Weex. Links below. Sign up if you want to start trading. But again, please do not leverage trade without experience, because it's so simple. You are going to lose your money. That's simple as that. I don't know how many times I've said it, but you need to practice. Sign up, meet the deposit bonus, get the free money, and take $100 and practice. Okay, just practice, because if you don't, you are going to lose the bonus money, and you're also going to lose your own money. That's simple as that. Anyways, now let's go look at Bydfi. I do recommend Bydfi because it is very user friendly. So I usually recommend that for everybody else. Try it out, see if you like it or not. As you guys can see, yeah, the market went down and my overall has also went down. I'm down today $12,300, which again, it don't bother me. Like I said, I will show you this account in 6 figures and you will see it. See, quant went down $93. Yesterday it was like 97, 98. But anyway, if you look at the contracts, again, I trade at 50x. You can pause this and you can look at my numbers. But looking at my contracts on my Kaspa, I am still down 52%, which is 4,100. And for my quant, again, I'm still down 15%, which is $1,600. Okay, so yeah, that doesn't bother me at all. My liquidations are too low and everything else is low. So yeah, you guys should know exactly how this works. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at Phemex. On Phemex, you guys know I am trading Jasmine, which is number 1, and number 2 is Kaspa. Like I said, see, they are giving free money. Man, come on, just use the links below and you get all this free money and free perks that comes with it. Anyways, my overall here, I am still down 10,600. You guys remember yesterday I was up like what, $12,000? But again, that don't bother me because I know it's about to happen. And yeah, I will tell you, yep, I told you so. If you look at my contracts, you will see that see, Kaspa is down 9.8. Anyways, you see here my Jasmine, I am still down 55%, which is 5,700. Okay, and my Kaspa, I am also down 24%. Okay, yesterday I was up like 30 something percent. If I'm done, I'm still up to, but it's like 24%, which is around $1,000. Again, this is not what I'm looking for. I will show you this account in 6 figures and you will see. You will see. We only got like what, a few more months to go. Anyways, now let's go look at my Weex exchange. On my Weex exchange, you guys know I waited for so long because I wanted to trade cubic on leverage on there. Anyways, due to the market crashing yesterday, again, I am down on my overall 3,100. Okay, yeah, not a big deal, but yeah, it is what it is. If you look at my contracts, okay, on my cubic, I am still down 7%, which is $89. Okay, not a big deal. We're just waiting. And on my Kaspa, I am up 54%, which is $639. Again, like I said, I will show you this account in 6 to 8 months, and you will see. You will see it, okay? And in all of them, all my trading accounts, you can pause this and you can see it. I trade at 50x on all of them, be it on Weex exchange, be it on the Phemex, 50x, all of them, be it on what you call it, Bydfi, they are all 50x. Okay, so yeah, that's my style. That's the way I do my thing. So let's go back here. Is all season started? Yes, for me. Do I panic because of the dump? Nope, I don't. It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity, guys. And again, everybody else fighting Kaspa right now. If you listen to them, that's up to you. But I can tell you that Kaspa is about to melt faces. Okay, once the smart contract get implemented, the few things coming like the listings coming up, the 10 blocks per second coming up, those things are bullish, yes. But guys, smart contracts is about to melt faces. That's what it is. If you're other coins like Quant, you don't believe it. Oh yeah, blah blah blah. You think it's going down. Zoom out and look at Quant. Everything else, it was falling 30, 40, 50%, whatever. How low did Quant go? Not even 10%. Okay, so look at Jasmine, look at Quant. You see, you are very, very early when it comes to investing, because now those coins that we're trading, they have started to move. Look at Cubic again, and like I always said, high risk, high reward. We just here about to wait if they can fulfill their white paper or not. But one thing I'm telling you, even if they don't fulfill it, we are looking at the Cubic that could go up to 4 zeros and a 5 or 4 zeros and a 7, and that is still a lot of money to be made. Okay, like for example, let me show you right quick before I end the video. Where is my this? See this? Okay, this is my cubic. For example, now I said 4 zeros and a 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 5. See, $92,000 in profit if it happened, or even 4 zeros and a 7. We're talking about $130,000 in profit. You see, this is if they don't fulfill whatever they said they're about to do. But if they do, we're looking at probably 3 zeros and a 5 or 3 zeros and a 7, which will make me $900,000. Either way, guys, either way, I am prepared for both scenarios. If it comes out, good. If it doesn't, good. In either ways, I'm still going to make money with Cubic. That's how simple it is. So yeah, do not panic. Market always does this. It is a normal thing to happen. Okay, if you panic, yeah, you fall to that trap. It's a trap. That's all it is. Big fat trap. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for checking out my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, because yeah, I want to know your opinion, what you think about everything that we just talked about today. And also, don't forget to share so that other millionaire-minded people like you and yours truly can see these videos and the family can grow. Like I always say, you never know what you're going to learn from a stranger, right? So yeah, that being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please, please, please take very good care of yourselves, and bye-bye.